What is going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, and today I got you guys with the daily Dogecoin update. If you guys are new, definitely follow, subscribe, comment below your thoughts. But I wanted to start off showing you guys this chart because it kind of shows you how fast bull markets can be. And as we get closer into the bull market, it's gonna seem like it's just gonna keep going on forever, right? But when I show you guys this chart, you can see that, you know, the first bull market here, right? 36 bars. I'm on the monthly, so each bar is a month. And then the one in 2017, right? After 2017, it took 32 bars before we started to, you know, basically enter the next bull market. And then fast forward, this is this year. If this is, which I believe it is, the start of the bull market for Dogecoin, 31 bars, right? Even if it isn't, so let's say right here, 32 bars. I believe this is the start of it. Okay, this is confirming, especially since it's literally the same amount of time as this. Is insane, like the same amount of time as this, right? During the going down into the bear market is the same amount of time as this previous bear market, basically 31, 32 bars. So that is insane how similar we are to the previous, after, you know, 2018, 2017 top right there. But while just looking at that, what's not highlighted here are the bull market candles. And I wanted to show you guys here, which is kind of trying to estimate where the top can be. And as we get closer into euphoria, I'm going to keep you guys level-headed and keep you guys up to date on where the top could be for Dogecoin. But so far, let's kind of, you know, have some fun, play around here and try to estimate here. If I were to get right here, this bull market, right? This was, yeah, about 7 bars. So 7 bars right there, right? We get 7 bars. We get right here at the start of this bull market. Brings us to September 2024. I don't think you guys can see it down here, but it's September 2024 from right here in February 2024. So I honestly don't think the top will be in September 2024, but hey, I'm just getting here the previous bull market, you know, 2021. Now, what I thought was interesting is we get the 2017, right? 2017 bull market. Let's get that, and boom, we get right there 10 bars. So 10 bars, we bring it right here, and let's see where that takes us. If we were to repeat something similar to 2017, it takes us to December 2024. And I've been literally telling you guys, I believe the top is going to be somewhere between October and December, right? So I think this is another indicator here that the top could possibly be in this year, which is what I've been saying, especially if we start to have our parabolic moves, which I believe we will soon for Dogecoin. The top, I believe, could be in between October and December. I would be surprised if it is September, but if it is, I mean, if it is in September, it just shows you how insanely exactly the same, right? The same topping time here, and also the same bear market time here from last bear market and last bull market. If it is in September, that is. But yeah, Dogecoin right now is it's exactly the point that I've been talking here for weeks about. I know it can get kind of repetitive, but it's because Dogecoin has been, you know, not really doing, I mean, it's been trying to form support in here, right? It's been doing actually a lot better than a lot of altcoins, because it did drop here to around 17 cents, came back above that 0.5, and it's exactly on it right now. So it is exactly on the 0.5 Fibonacci, which I've been telling you guys for so long. You can see the correlation here with Fibonacci, right? When it's right on it. I mean, you just look at the chart. It doesn't lie, right? It's right on the Fibonacci. It's trying to hold support, and once we have clear confirmation that that is support, which could possibly be in next month or the next coming month, that's when Dogecoin is going to start to go parabolic. And my big target is 40 cents. that 0.23. I think it can move over there very fast once we confirm that support. This is the bullish scenario, right? But what I can easily see happening here, guys, if Bitcoin dumps below 60K, especially if we get a halving dump, right? Saw the news event. Everyone that's just new into crypto from the last 2 months that are into crypto right now, they're gonna be super surprised if we get a dump into the halving, because they've been kind of like they've been kind of told from a lot of influencers that the halving is just gonna make Bitcoin go up. And yeah, it is, but not right away. It could take you know, a couple months before Bitcoin starts to go up. It can take a dump right after the halving, and these guys are gonna get scared, probably panic sell, especially since they're new, they don't have a lot of experience. But if we do have a halving dump, Bitcoin goes below 60K, which is very, very well possible and realistic, Dogecoin is definitely going to lose that 0.5, and we could possibly, like I said from a couple videos ago, come down here near that 0.78, which would be the last dump, and also be a higher low. And that price range is going to be around 9 to 10 cents, right? In between 9 to 11. So if you see Dogecoin dump down to these levels, 11 cents, 10, I think it's probably your last chance to get here at the lows. And to be honest, if it does dump down to those levels, it might not really last that long. It might just go down there for a day, for a couple hours. So I think limit orders are going to be key if we start dumping. Okay. And yeah, that's my bullish and bearish scenario. I really hope the bearish scenario plays out, because I do want to add more Dogecoin here to my portfolio. But another chart here that I keep stressing you guys about is the Dogecoin Bitcoin pair. This is a very important chart and another piece to the puzzle here to kind of know when Dogecoin is going to start to move, or even top out, right? Because you can see right here, we kind of bottomed right here, right? We were, ever since Dogecoin topping out back in 2021, we were just in this downtrend, and now we started to come back up here, right? But I believe that we can still eventually come down here and possibly double bottom before going like that. I really do think that can happen, guys. And for this to happen, Dogecoin wouldn't even have to like be dumping for this to happen. Just so you guys know, for this to happen, Bitcoin has to outperform Dogecoin, because this is the Dogecoin Bitcoin pair. So for example, Dogecoin could stay around 20 cents, 19 cents, while Bitcoin goes to like 80K. And what's going to happen is this chart is going to go down. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because the Bitcoin price is outperforming Dogecoin's price, even though Dogecoin is flat. So if you see something like that happening, and we come down here to these levels, I believe anytime we are at these levels here again, if we come down to these levels again, I think that's a good opportunity to buy more Dogecoin. Not financial advice, just my opinion. Okay, so yeah, and the like I said, the other scenario is if Bitcoin dumps below 60K, well, Dogecoin is gonna dump below 60K, because if it doesn't dump, if Dogecoin doesn't dump, it's gonna go up here, and I don't think that's going to happen. If Bitcoin dumps, Dogecoin is gonna dump with it. So this is a very critical chart here, and we can see that last pre-bull market, we were in this ugly downtrend too, and it seemed like there was like no end to it until we started going parabolic. So yeah, very soon we're gonna see a candle like this, which is just gonna be Dogecoin outperforming Bitcoin's price. Okay, but we're still not there yet. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep you guys up to date. Of course, join the free Telegram. Bitcoin's above 70K. Is it gonna hold? To be honest, looking at the monthly candle, I don't know. This candle kind of looks, if we close around something around this price, it might be a pivot here, right? We might see a pivot here, especially if we get a red candle for the first time in 7 months here for Bitcoin. So I'll keep you guys up to date. So far, Dogecoin is just, it's at a good price, right? I still think it's outperforming a lot of altcoins out there, but it needs to hold that 0.5 to do the bullish scenario. And if it doesn't, it could possibly come down here, but back to 11 cents if Bitcoin dumps too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely follow for more. Like, comment your opinion below, what coins you guys want me to do as well instead of just Dogecoin. But I'll keep you guys up to date and join the Telegram in the bio. Peace.